Welcome friends. In this video we would learn how to generate a sequence in our studio. Okay friends, suppose we want to generate a sequence that is starting from 1 and going till 10. So we can use the command seq sequence, which stands for sequence. From, like, where do you want to start it from? Like, you want to start the sequence from 1, and 2, like by which step, like where do you want to take it to? So I want a sequence from 1 to 10. So the command would be sequence from 1 to 10. So now we can see it's 1 to 10 we have generated. The other ways to do the same thing is you can use seek in brackets 1 to 10 directly, because R recognizes this directly, that the first value is from value and second value is to value. Or you can directly use colon between them, like sequence 1 colon 10, like this. Or you can directly, if you know that first value is 1 by default, you want to generate a sequence from 1 to 10, it will take first value 1, by default it's 1 to 10. So this is the way we are doing the same thing but in different way. Suppose you want to generate a sequence from 1 to 50, so simply uh, seek 50. Okay friends, so you can use in different way. This is the way we generate a simple sequence. Suppose you want to generate a sequence from -5 to 5. This is the way you can do. If you want to assign this sequence to a variable, so I'm generating a variable x, run it. So now we are having a sequence from, we can see this by clicking on x. So these are the values from -1 to 5. So now friends, now come to a situation where we want a sequence from 1 to 10 but with a step increment of 2. Here what you want, here we want to generate a sequence from 1 to 10 with a value with an increment of 2, this way. If we see here, 1, 3 plus 2, 5, it's like, it's a sequence. We can do it directly by without mentioning this from or to and by. R recognizes it by default. The first value is from value, and the second value is to value, and third value is by value. By default it takes it, enter. The same thing it will do. First value from value, second value to, and third value is by. Similarly, if you want even numbers, so you can start it from 2 instead of 1. Okay friends, so by this we can get even numbers. Earlier we had 1 3 5 7, here 2 4 6 8. You can give the step in decimals as well, like here we want a step size of 0.05, sorry 0.5, in this way, 2 2.5 3. So we can generate a sequence with decimal differences. Now one more situation friends, suppose you are not aware of the step size, but you know that I want to start from a value, reach a value, to value, and I don't want to know the step, you identify on your own. Suppose this is sequence here. Here I say I want to start from -3 and I want to reach 3, and I want 10 values, those are evenly spaced. Okay friends, so I can use length.out command. It will give me 10 values from -3 to +3 and equally spaced, this way. 3, 2.33, they are equally spaced 10 values. You can change 10 to 5 as well. It will automatically decide the step size, the increment size automatically. Here we can see friends. So you can also use length or len, short abbreviations, for length out function. It will do the same thing. We can see the results are same, either we use length command, length out command, or len command. So in this way we can generate up to certain length. Suppose you want to generate like from 1 to 2 equally spaced 11 values. This is simply replication of the earlier work. So in this way, friend, we can use sequence command to generate equally spaced data by certain step size from a value to a certain value. These are very helpful in simulation purpose that we would be discussing in next videos. Thanks friends. Keep watching.